Hello friends, welcome to my channel where we explore the world of agriculture and farming. Today, we are going to take you on a journey to learn about the cultivation, harvest and farming of watermelons. Watermelons are warm season crops that thrive the warm cultivation with a long hot summers. They require at least 4 months of warm weather to reach maturity. So, farmers used to make sure that the growing season is long enough to allow the proper development. Thrive in warm climates with a long, hot summer. They are typically planted in well-drained soil with the pH of 6.0 to 7.0. To ensure a healthy crop, farmers apply compost or other organic matters to the soil before planting. The watermelon seeds are then sowed directly into the soil if started in seeding and transplanted later on. Watermelons are typically ready to be harvested when they start the dull in color and thumb with a dip. Farmers inspect each watermelon to make sure that it's fully ripe and ready to be picked. The method of harvesting watermelons depends on the size of the farm and the amount of the watermelons being harvested. In smaller farms, hand picking is often used, where farmers carefully cut the watermelon from the vine using a sharp knife. For longer farms, machine harvesting is also an option. This method is more efficient as it allows for the large number of watermelons to be harvested in a shorter amount of life. Once the watermelon plants have been established, farmers take care to maintain the optimal farming conditions. This includes regular irrigation, weed control and providing adequate nutrients through fertilization. As the watermelons grow, farmers also need to monitor for any signs of the disease of pests and take action to address any issues that may arise. Once the watermelons have been harvested, they are transported to the processing facility for further inspection of quality check. During transformation, it's important to handle the watermelons with care to prevent any damage to the skin or flesh. The first step is washing, where the watermelons are thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt and dust. Then, they are sorted by size and shape to ensure that each watermelon is of the consistent quality. Before the watermelons are processed, they undergo a series of quality checks to ensure that each one is the consistent quality. The watermelons are sorted by size and shape and inspected for any sign of damage or disease. Finally, the processed watermelon is packed and stored in a controlled environment to maintain its freshness until it reaches its final destination, whether it be a grocery store or restaurant. We hope you enjoyed learning about all the hard work and dedication that goes into brightening the delicious summer fruit to be table. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, thank you for supporting the agriculture industry. Until the next time, thank you so much.